Good afternoon, students. In this video, we discuss about the working with words of lesson number 5, Dreaming of the Down Wall. In last period, we discussed comprehension and reference to context. Now we are dealing working with words. See first, match the idioms in list A with the meaning in list B. There are two columns A and B. So these are the some idioms we have to connect it to the with B. See, to be at hand, to take something in hand, to get out of hand, to have time, money in hand, to keep one's hand in, to have one's hand full. So these are the items. Give the proper number 1 to 10. Okay. Now here in column B, to have a lot of work, to be uh, to become out of control. So give the number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, 10 here in A column and 10 here in B column. So we have to connect it to each other. To be at hand, C. To be very near. Okay. Now second, to take something in hand, G. To take change of it, manage it. Okay, G. Now to get out of hand, B. To become out of control. Fourth, to have time, money in hand, we have to match with the F. To have in spare, left over to be used. To keep one's hand in, to keep in practice. Okay, J. Sixth number, to have one's hand full. To have one's hand full. So we have to write to have a lot of work means A for the 6. 7. To give someone a good hand, I. To applaud someone for a good performance. This is the I we have to match with 7. Now 8. To be a handful. This is the E. To be difficult to control. So we have to manage. Now 9. To be an old hand, H. To be experienced at something. This is the old hand. Now to get the upper hand of something or someone. So we have to join this D to win the advantage over it or him. Okay. So this is the working with word first. Now turn toward the working with words fourth. California has a huge range of geographical features. Everyone having information regarding that. Californians like to say that their state has a little bit of everything, and this may well be true. और वो सच भी है. Match the clues to their answers and then label the map which words from the list of answer. जो भी लिस्ट ऑफ आंसर आएगा वो आंसर आपको मैप में यूएसए मैप में या कैलिफोर्नियन मैप में आपको वो फिल करना है. डिस्कस योर आंसर विथ a partner and ask each other questions about the geography of California. Okay, so you have to discuss about the geographical features of the California, and this is the work to you. This clues when you adjust to each other, these answers we have to label in the map. I will show the map after that. See here first clues and this is the answers. Okay, first to 9 and these are the 9. I already given here numbers and I am giving the here alphabetical number A to I. So like this you have to give the numbers to the answers. Okay, so this is easy to discuss the answers. Now first, where California's great redwood trees are found, forest. So write C. Second, southernmost major city in California, G. San Diego. Right answer G. San Diego. Third, second deepest lake in the USA? Lake Tahoe. Okay. Now fourth, national park in California containing 747 956 acres with many mountains including El Capitan. So everyone have the idea regarding that. Yosemite National Park. Okay. Now fourth completed. Fifth, lowest, hottest, driest area in the USA. Death Valley. Okay. B. Now western border of the state. Western border of the states. A. 840 miles of coastline. You have to write there A. Dry, number 7, dry arid area that is the least used part of California. This is the Mazo Desert. Okay, Mazo Desert. Now 8, city home of Bollywood. Los Angeles. Now last one. 9, 400 miles mountain range. Sierra Nevada. So in this Sierra Nevada having the Yosemite National Park also. So that's why this is yet. So these are the answers you have to label in the map. So students, see here, this is the map of California and these are the some options. These answers you have to write in the boxes. Okay, this is homework to you. Now turn toward the learning about language. Here we discuss about the hyphen. You understand the hyphen? Dash, sanyog chinna. So this is the just information for you. Go through this information because in this lesson, in this pattern, we discuss about the compound words also. Compound words. So which type of compound words? To divided words at the end of the line of writing and to connect two words which act as one. These words are called compound words. They say high, hyphen and jump. High jump. High dash means hyphen society. High society. This is called the compound words. Okay. Now in this pattern we have to discuss about the hyphen. Hyphen. So in this hyphen there are giving the perhaps words. So not like that, you have to give the hyphen between the two words because we have to understand that word having some meanings also. Okay, see, you can understand easily. First, show where the following words may be hyphenated. कहाँ पे hyphenated है वो करना है. Sometimes. So this word you have to write some hyphen times, sometimes. Okay. Now exaggerated. These are the three words: exaggerate, exaggerate, or exaggerate. These are the three words. From these three words we have to write any one. Okay, one or two. Now prolong, pro and long. Bicycle, by hyphen cycle, cycle. Now accident, axi hyphen dent. 90, 9 hyphen ty, t. Grammar, gram hyphen mar. English also, English hyphen leash. Philosophical, philo hyphen sophical. Catastrophe, there are some different things, cat and astrophe. Catastrophe, like this you have to write in another way or different way. Misuse, mis hyphen use. Tremendous, tremend hyphen does, or tree hyphen mendus. These are the words we have to write in your notebook. Hardy, hard and divide D. Okay, these are the hyphens you have to go. Now this is the very easy portion, prefix. In before of the words we have to put some letters, this is called a prefix, and suffix words के बाद में, prefix words के पहले. So these are the some prefix, in, im, er, il. These are the prefix you have to put in front of the words. Example: distinct, indistinct, probable, improbable, religious, irreligious, logical, illogical, like this. Okay, so for this, open page number 78. So these are the some words. Second, make negatives of the following adjective by adding in, im, er or il. Okay, so see here: practical, impractical, regular, irregular, ir, responsible, irresponsible, ir, legal, illegal, il, mortal, immortal, I am, possible, impossible, I am, consistent, inconsistent, in, religious, irreligious, ir, sufficient, insufficient, flexible, inflexible, legible, illegible, il, partial, impartial, direct, indirect, adequate, inadequate, personal, impersonal, mobile, immobile, balance, imbalance, and matured, immature. So these are the some words. See properly the video. These are the some words you have to write in your textbook. Okay students, I hope you understand properly. And here we completed the comprehension and all exercise related to the lesson. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.